Even top creators use this trick for their YouTube thumbnail. Get ready because I'm about to reveal the secret that big creators use when creating thumbnails. Want to know what this trick is? In this video, I'll show you how to create thumbnails like big creators in minutes with the help of AI. But wait, there's more. Stick around until the end, because I'm also showing you exactly how I created this show-stopping thumbnail. As we all know, thumbnails are the things that can double up your views in YouTube. Now imagine being able to design thumbnails like top creators, without spending hours or hiring expensive designers. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing YouTube thumbnails with AI, effortlessly. Using 3 tools, you can craft thumbnails for any type of content, from horror stories to gaming, to entertainment videos like those by Mr. Beast. Make sure you don't skip any part and give this video a like. Now, let's dive into creating our first thumbnail with AI and transform your channel's look. Step 1. Inspiration Station. First things first, let's find some inspiration. We can't copy thumbnails, but we can definitely get ideas from successful creators. Let's visit a channel with killer thumbnails and download one, for educational purposes only. Click on this share icon and copy the video URL. Remember guys, inspiration, not imitation. Now search for YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. Click on any of the link. Paste your URL and download the thumbnail. Now, head over to this awesome website called Image to Prompt. You need to sign up Gmail. Upload the downloaded thumbnail and watch it magically generate a description of what's happening in the image. First click on Image to Prompt. Then click Get Prompt. Upload your image. You will get 3 options. Remember to select the last one. You just need to tab or select and it will automatically be copied. Now head over to Chatgpt. Paste the description and let it churn out 5 amazing thumbnail concepts tailored to your niche. Here, I will be generating 5 similar thumbnails ideas. If you want me to give you a prompt for your thumbnail, then comment yes with your niche. Feel free to modify them to fit your unique content. Here's a pro tip, don't be afraid to get creative with your prompts. Chatgpt can take your basic ideas and turn them into something truly unique and eye-catching. Now, go to Ideogram and sign up. Paste your chosen prompt into Ideogram, but hold on a sec. Make sure that Magic is selected and set the resolution to 16:9. This ensures the AI creates a thumbnail in the perfect format for YouTube. While it's generating, I will tell you how many can you generate. You can daily generate up to 10 prompts. Each generation will give you 4 images. So you will have 40 thumbnails per day. This is from one of the prompts. Now let's generate from other prompts. I think this one looks nice. Let's make this documentary type thumbnail. We will follow the same process. So I will speed up so that it will save you some time. Paste your URL and download the thumbnail. Now, head over to this awesome website called Image to Prompt. Upload the downloaded thumbnail and watch it magically generate a description of what's happening in the image. Remember to select the last one. Now you go to Ideogram and paste your prompt. Many creators will leave you here, but I will show you the ultimate step to easily customize it. For that you need to go to Canva. Let's head over to Canva and open a blank canvas. Upload your AI-generated image and play around with some adjustments to make it truly your own. Canva is simple design software where you can simply drag and drop the file. It's free to use, but you can start 30 days trial to use its premium features. Now that we have our images, let's start designing the thumbnail I used in this video. I used the same background. Then used rectangle shape. Changed color to black and reduced its opacity. Oh, and make sure your background color is black. You can simply do that by right-clicking to Layers, then Show Layers and select Background. Now go to Elements and search for dotted line. Now bring your image. Adjust the image. Now I will split the image by simply dragging at the edge. Adjust the image. We are almost done now. Let's add paper tear effect. Remember, first impressions matter, and captivating thumbnails are your gateway to attracting viewers and boosting your video success. Here is original with its AI generated and let me know how was the video.